Look at the ribbon. Both teams are pulling hard. But the ribbon is not moving. How is that possible? Now look again. The ribbon starts moving. What changed? Why did it move this time? Look closely at the box. Two students are pushing, but the box stays where it is. What do you notice? This time the box moves. The box is the same. The floor is the same. So what changed? Make a prediction. Which answer seems correct? What caused the movement?
Look at these arrows. They are equal. What do you think will happen? Will the box move or stay still?
Here is our first clue. The pushes are equal. They act in opposite directions. The box does not move. Why not? Now one push becomes stronger. The box starts moving. Could the difference in pushes matter? The football was resting. Then it moved. What caused the change? Now look at the bicycle. It was moving. Then it stopped. Can a force also stop motion? When equal forces act in opposite directions, they balance each other. These are called balanced forces. Balanced forces do not change motion. When forces are not equal, they are unbalanced forces. Unbalanced forces can change motion. They can start, stop, or change speed. Now the mystery is clear. Balanced forces keep motion unchanged. Unbalanced forces change motion. That is the key difference. You see this every day. A trolley stays still at first. A push makes it move. That happens because of unbalanced force.
Let's test this idea. Can you make an object stay still? Can you make it move? Try it and observe.
Look at both games. The same rope is used, but the results are different. Can you explain why?
Today we solved a motion mystery.
Forces can balance. Forces can also be unbalanced. How does this help us understand the world around us? Let's remember three important ideas. Force can change motion. Balanced forces do not change motion. Unbalanced forces do.